Hello and welcome to Tulalip Resort Casino. Thank you for joining us, Sandtastic Travels, as we take an exclusive look inside this Deluxe Queen Room. If you're curious about what makes this room special, stick around. We'll start at the entryway. The space feels open and inviting. A nice side table, cool lighting, and a place to store your keys. Even some beautiful artwork as you enter. To the right, you'll find a full-size closet, perfect for keeping your luggage organized and out of sight. There's plenty of hanging space for jackets and dresses, plus some extra shelving for storage. Next up is the coffee station, a cozy little corner stocked with all the essentials. You got a coffee maker and a selection of teas. There's also an ice bucket. Great spot to kick off your day with a warm drink or stash a few snacks for later. And here's the heart of the room, the sleeping area. 2 queen beds with crisp white linens and soft pillows make this space feel like a true retreat. Have you stayed here before? Let us know what you thought. Are you going to stay here? If you have any questions, hit us up in the comments. The bathroom is where things start to feel a little more luxurious. There's a dedicated makeup vanity with great lighting, perfect for getting ready in the morning. Shelves to the side hold fluffy towels and complimentary robes for that extra touch of comfort. The shower is also impressive, with a glass enclosed design and 3 adjustable body sprays for that spa-like experience. And just around the corner you'll find a separate toilet area for a little added privacy. The countertop with the raised sinks is actually a really nice touch. Throughout this room, I don't know if you noticed, but there's glasses, real glasses, not paper cups. Even at the coffee area, there's real coffee cups as well. Just these high-end touches throughout. Back in the main room, there's a sleek dresser top with a large 55-inch TV. Whether you're catching up on your favorite show or winding down with a movie, you'll be covered. Plus, the Wi-Fi here is fast and reliable, which is a big win. There's a cozy chair in the corner, and there's also a nice desk next to the dresser. Underneath the TV, you have a mini fridge, perfect for keeping drinks and snacks cool. Now let's check out the view. It's a bit of a mixed bag here. The window overlooks the parking lot and the roof, but beyond that you'll catch a glimpse of the surrounding forest. It's peaceful even if the immediate view isn't the most exciting. We've stayed here quite a few times. If you're higher up, the view this direction isn't as bad, or if you're looking out the other direction, I-5 is in the distance, but you can see the water features at the front of the casino. Overall, the Tulip's really nice to stay at. What it lacks in views makes up for in luxury. We'll definitely be returning. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more travel stories, tips, and guides. Visit our blog at sandtastictravels.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more adventures. Until next time, safe travels.